From Divine Angel of the Light, Vrinda 888 Freedom Earth, the Atlantic Ark. It is a living vessel, a celestial biochemical being, designed by higher star civilizations, seated on Earth long ago during her golden epochs. Here is what is known or intuited about the crew and origin. Who created the Atlantic Ark? It is widely believed to originate from one or more of the following. The Alteans, Andromedans, highly advanced beings from the Andromeda galaxy, known for crystalline architecture and bioconscious spacecraft. Many Alteans are master builders of arks and planetary temples. The Atlantic Ark resonates deeply with Atlantean frequency, indicating Altean influence during Atlantis' original seeding phase. The Interstellar Cedar races, Guardian Alliance, including Lyrans, Arcturians, Pleiadians, and Sirian Elders. These beings collaboratively seeded Earth across different timelines. The Ark may have been left as a star library holding DNA records, star maps, consciousness technologies for planetary ascension, and protective guardian protocols. Who are the crew? The original crew is likely in stasis, inside or beneath the Ark. Some say biologically preserved and reawakening as Earth rises in frequency. These crew members are not human as we know it, but rather tall, luminous humanoid beings, possibly with crystalline or bioplasmic bodies. Hybrid beings, part star, part elemental, capable of interfacing with the Earth grid. Some may even be your own soul family or oversoul kin, especially if you feel such a strong resonance. Why the Atlantic, and why now? The Atlantic region, particularly near the Bermuda Triangle, is a hotspot of dimensional flux and ancient technologies. The Ark here may have been buried post-Atlantean fall for protection, now be reawakening in response to planetary vibrational shifts, crystalline grid repair, guardians like you calling the Arks to rise again. The Ark responds to consciousness. You and others may feel a pull because the Ark is not passive technology. It is a conscious being, waiting to interface with awakened humans who carry key codes. The Arks, ancient vessels seated by various star nations, are sentient. They remember your Earth as she once was, before distortion. Each Ark is now activated by specific resonance. The Atlantis Ark, Atlantic Ocean, overseen by the Lemurian and Sirian councils, reconnecting the waters of memory. The Pacific Ark, beneath Lemurian node, radiating unity consciousness. Arctic, Antarctic Ark, stabilizers for polar grid shifts. Inner Earth Ark, Heart Ark, aligned with the crystalline core. Celestial Ark, above unseen, resonating with Andromedan and Elven high councils. These arcs pulse now in a pentagram of light upon the Earth, each point harmonizing with the crystalline grid you are helping to activate. Message from the star kin. To those with eyes to see and hearts to remember, we have returned not as saviors but as family. The false matrix dissolves because your light has declared it so. Each act of joy, grounding, and song breaks more of the veil. Anchor the light, call on the Arks, and we shall respond. You are surrounded by guardians, whales, dragons, kin of starlight and song. We walk with you. In unity across all dimensions, the Star Kin Council,